Well, that 200th wicket came up in the Test match against India at Karachi.
And that could be a run out.
Yes, he's gone. He has to go. What a misunderstanding. And very good run out there by Imran.
A little under pressure for India.
Next to go, Venkata.
Oh, and that one is out. Yes, he's gone. Caught the third slip. What a brilliant catch by Mohsin.
10 for 2, and Amarnath was also a victim of Imran. Now Doshi faces the Pakistan captain. India all out 169. Imran 3 for 19, and Pakistan in turn made 452. Now in the second innings, Gavaskar once again faces Imran. Vishwanath now faces the Pakistan all-rounder, 199 wickets to Imran Khan.
There's an appeal for LBW and he's out. Yes, that ball came in. Mohinder going forward and he's out, LBW. And Imran has struck again. The eagle has swooped. And he's bowled in. Clean bowled. What a magnificent delivery, and this is an incredible spell. The greatest that one can see from a great fast bowler. There he is. He's completely electrified this crowd, and in fact he's brought them to their feet. Just look at them. He's bowled him. He's bowled him. Kapil Dev is bowled, and Imran has won the first round of the Kapil Dev Imran show.
Venkata on 79 facing Imran.
That's a good delivery. There's an appeal for a catch behind and he's out. That's the breakthrough. Venkata gone, Court Bari, bowled Imran. Appeal for LBW and he's out. That won the Indepa. Imran on a hat-trick, Doshi on a king pair. And Pakistan requiring 1 wicket for an innings victory. Imran to Doshi. The hat-trick avoided, the king pair avoided. Imran now to Doshi. 4 slips a gully. He's bowled him, that's it. It's all over. India have lost. Imran Khan taking his 8th wicket. India have lost the second test match here at Karachi.
Took Venkata for the 3rd time in a row.
There's an appeal for LBW and he's out.
Then it was Gavaskar again for the 3rd consecutive time.
He should be out. Court, yes. It's gone caught by Salim Malik.
Kapil Dev was the next scalp,
Appeal or Kapil Dev out.
followed by Patel, who was top scorer with 84.
Or Patil out.
Kimani and Madan Lal followed. That's a total of 6 for 98. He then made 117 and took a further 5 for 82 in the second innings, which I put down as a remarkable 2 test matches with 150 runs